the washing machine? Dylan! Don't eat it. No, don't eat it, please. No. Dylan, no. Will you stop eating it? Don't eat it. Where are you going? Where are you going? I see you. You gonna shut your hand in there? Can you say, I'm 11 months old today? You're 11 months old. That's crazy. All right. Video of you playing with the washer.